Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English text. In this we will study chapter 3, The Lost Laugh. So children, what is meaning of lost? That something is missing, and laugh means to give a wide smile. So this story is about an animal called hyena. Looks like a dog, okay? He is a wild animal who looks like a dog, and he has lost his laugh. That's why he is very sad. So children, in this story we will see how he find his laugh and who helped him, okay? Let us start our chapter. Chapter 3, The Lost Laugh. Hyena was very sad. Underline the word hyena. Who is hyena? Hyena is a wild animal who looks like dog, okay? He had lost his laugh. So children, why is he sad? Because he had lost his laugh, okay? So hyena went to giraffe. Please help me find my laugh, giraffe, he said. So he went to giraffe, and there he requested giraffe, giraffe, please help me find out my laugh. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. Underline the word L-I-F-T-E-D, lifted. So giraffe has a long neck. So lifted it up and looked around the tree tops. I can't hear a laugh up here, hyena, she said. And when she looked everywhere, she said that, hyena, I am not able to find your laugh. Then hyena saw hippo swimming in the lake. Please help me find my laugh, hippo, he said. So then after this he saw hippo, and what was she doing? She was swimming in the water, okay? He was swimming in the lake. He went to hippo and again requested him to find out his laugh. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. So then again hippo is also not able to find out his laugh, and she searched everywhere in the water because she was swimming in the water, so she searched everywhere in the water. Hyena went to elephant next. Please help me find my laugh, elephant. Then after giraffe and hippo, hyena went to elephant for help. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. Underline the word F-L-A-P-P-E-D, flapped. So children, what is the meaning of flapped? Flap means to move something back and forth, okay? So here elephant has a big ears, right? You all have seen elephant, huh? He has big ears. So elephant flapped his ears and listened carefully. Underline the word L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D, listened. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, hyena. Then elephant informed hyena that I am not able to listen to your laugh anywhere in the jungle. Finally hyena went to monkey. Please help me find my laugh, monkey, he said. Then after giraffe, hippo and elephant, he went to monkey for help, and he asked, please help me find my laugh, monkey. How did you lose it, hyena, asked monkey, swinging from a branch. Underline the word S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G, swinging, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Children, meaning of swinging is to hang up and down or side to side from something, okay? So here monkey is swinging from a branch, and he asked that, hyena, how did you lose it? When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said hyena. Underline the word S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Children, meaning of scared is to get afraid of, right? So, hyena explained to clever monkey that whenever I laugh, everybody looks at me and they got scared, they got afraid of because of my big teeth, okay. So, they ran away. This made me sad. So, children, why is he sad? Because everybody is scared of his big teeth and this make him sad, okay. So, my laugh disappeared. Underline the word D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, disappeared. Children, disappeared means when you are not able to see something or listen to something because they are far away, okay. So, here hyena's laugh disappeared, okay. Oh, then you are looking for it in the wrong places, said monkey. So, monkey is a clever animal, right? So, he suggested that you are looking for your laugh in all the wrong places. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Underline the word J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped, F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather. Children, what is feather? Feather is a soft part of animal body, okay. So, what he did, he jumped from the tree and picked up one feather, okay. Who did this? Monkey, okay. Then he began to tickle hyena all over. Underline the word T-I-C-K-L-E, tickle. What is the meaning of tickle, children? When you touch someone very lightly to make them laugh, okay. So, what monkey did? He jumped from the branch of the tree, picked one feather and start tickling hyena, okay, because he wants to make hyena happy, right, because he wants hyena to find his laugh, right. Slowly hyena started to smile and then he let out a big loud laugh. Underline the word L-E-T, let, O-U-T, out. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. Underline the word R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. So, when monkey started tickling hyena with help of a feather, he let out laugh so loudly, so happily that he started rolling on the ground, okay. All the other animals heard hyena's laugh. They came running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Underline it over here. Where did you find his laugh? They asked monkey. So, there they inquired monkey that where did you find his laugh? This laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy and it came out. There, monkey explained to them that laugh was inside him all the time. I just make him happy and the laugh appears, okay. The other animals were happy to hear this. So, they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. So, children, the other animals who are also the part of the jungle and hyena's friends, they were very happy to know that hyena is now happy and he is able to find out his laugh now, okay. I will never lose my laugh again, said hyena happily. Underline the word L-O-S-E, lose. So, there hyena explained to all of them that now I am so happy and I promised all of you that I will never lose it, okay. So, children, our chapter is over here. I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. This chapter is written by Michel Preen, okay. This chapter is written by Michel Preen. Now, children, we will see some hard words of this chapter on board. Children, now we will see some hard words of this chapter on board. Number one is B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Then spelling of morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Then river, R-I-V-E-R, river. Then spelling of best friend, B-E-S-T, best. Spelling of friend is F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Okay. Then spelling of uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Then turn your page. Spelling of river bank, R-I-V-E-R, river. Then dash, B-A-N-K, bank, river bank. Then spelling of shining, S-H-I-N-I-N-G, shining. Then sunlight, S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Then pebbles, P-E-B-B-L-E-S, pebbles. Okay. Then spelling of bridge, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. Then spelling of strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Then please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Then after please, Sevapur. Sevapur is the name of a place, so we will write it in capital letters, S-E-V-A-P-U-R, Sevapur. Okay. Then spelling of Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. So children, go through these spellings very thoroughly, learn them properly. Now we will do bookwork of this chapter. Question A, complete these sentences in a few words. So children, you have to complete these sentences. Okay. Number 1, Haina had lost dash. So children, what has Haina lost? Haina has lost his laugh, right? Answer is H-I-S, his, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Number 2, Haina thought he had dash that scared other animals. So Haina thought he had, what he had that scared other animals? What we have learned? That Haina had big teeth, right? Spelling is B-I-G, big, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Haina thought he had big teeth that scared other animals. Number 3, monkey picked up a feather and dash. So what did monkey did? Monkey jumped from a tree. He picked up a feather and tickled Haina. Spelling is T-I-C-K-L-E-D, tickled, H-Y-E-N-A, Haina. Monkey picked up a feather and tickled Haina. Number 4, monkey said Haina's laugh was dash all the time. So monkey explained to all the other animals of the jungle that Haina's laugh was always inside him. Okay. So correct answer is I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, H-I-M, him, inside him. Number 5, Haina's laugh came out because he was dash. So why did Haina's laugh came out? Because he was happy. Answer is W-A-S, was, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Haina's laugh came out because he was happy. Now question B, answer these questions. Number 1 has been done in your notebook, children. Now look at number 2. Which animals helped Hyena look for his love? Where did they look? Complete this flow chart in the correct order. So children, one flow chart is given to you. You have to tell that which animal helped Hyena to find his love and at which place. Okay, animal and place where they help him find out his love. Okay, number 1. So children, when the story began, he went first to giraffe, right? Write down G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe over here. Then where did giraffe find, giraffe searched for his love? Answer is among the tree tops, because he has long necks. So he searched among the tree tops. Answer is A-M-O-N-G, among, T-H-E, the, T-R-E-E, tree, T-O-P-S, tops, among the tree tops. Then after giraffe, he went to hippo. And where is she? She is in the water, where she helped find out his love in the water. I-N-N-T-H-E, the, W-A-T-E-R, water. After giraffe and hippo, he went to elephant. Elephant helped him find out his love with help of his big ears. He started flapping his big ears and he found it in the jungle. I-N-N-T-H-E, the, J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. Then at last he went to monkey. Okay, where he helped him find it out? Inside hyena. So children, monkey explained to everybody that his love was always inside him. Okay, it was inside hyena, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, H-Y-E-N-A, hyena. Now children, number 3 and 4 has been done in your notebook. Now look at next question, match to complete the sentences, then write the sentences in the given space. Okay, so children, some sentences are given to you. You have to match from A block to B block, then you have to write them in a sentence below. Okay, number 1, hyena was sad because, correct answer is here. Mark number 1 over here. Answer is he had lost his love. So children, why was hyena sad? Because he had lost his love. Okay. Now number 2, hyena felt bad about. Answer is here. Mark number 2 over here. Answer is his big teeth. So hyena felt bad about his big teeth. Why he felt bad about it? Because everyone ran away from him, and because they got scared, right? Number 3, monkey tickled the hyena with, answer is a feather. Write down number 3 over here. So monkey jumped from branch of a tree, picked up one feather and tickled hyena with help of a feather. Okay. Number 4, hyena's laugh was, answer is here. Mark number 4 over here, inside him. So children, hyena's laugh was always inside him. Number 5, all the animals laughed. Mark number 5 over here. So children, all the animals laughed because they are happy to hear about hyena, that now he has found his laugh. Now children, what you have to do? You have to write it in a sentence. You have to join both the sides and write it in a sentence. Number 1, hyena was sad because he had lost his laugh. Number 2, hyena felt bad about his big teeth. Number 3, monkey tickled the hyena with a feather. Number 4, hyena's laugh was inside him. Number 5, all the animals laughed. Now children, we will do copy work of this chapter. You have to do your copy work very beautifully in a good handwriting, okay, and you have to draw margins as shown here. In first line you will write chapter 3, then title of the chapter, the lost laugh, then new words. Number 1 is LIFTED, lifted. Number 2, FEATHER, feather. Number 3, JUMPED, jumped. Number 4, ROLLING, rolling. Number 5, JUNGLE, jungle. Number 6, SWIMMING, swimming. Now children, we will see word meaning of this chapter. Number 1 is flapped. Meaning is moved something up and down quickly. So children, what is the meaning of flapped? Move down something up and down quickly, okay. Number 2, scared. Meaning of scared is afraid of something. What is the meaning of scared, children? Afraid of something. Now number 3, tickle. Meaning of tickle is to make someone laugh by lightly touching. So meaning of tickle is to make someone laugh by touching them lightly, okay, by lightly touching. Now children, we are moving to make sentences. Number 1 is branch. Sentences, many birds are sitting on the branch. So this sentence says that many birds are sitting on the branch. Underline the word branch over here. Number 2, ground. Sentence for ground is the ground is still wet, okay. So this sentence says that the ground is still wet. Underline the word ground over here. Number 3, laugh. Sentence is the children made me laugh. So this sentence says that the children made me laugh. Underline the word LAUGH, laugh over here. Now children, we will do who said to whom. Number 1, I can't hear a laugh up here. So children, who said these lines? Answer is giraffe said to hyena. So when hyena went to giraffe for help, he looked over at treetop and he said, I can't hear a laugh up here. So answer is giraffe said to hyena. Now number 2, his laugh was inside him all the time. Answer is monkey said to the other animals. So when everybody came running listening to hyena's laugh, he explained to them that his laugh was inside him all the time, okay. Now answer the questions. Question 1, why was hyena sad? Answer is hyena was sad because he had lost his laugh. So children, why was hyena sad? Answer is hyena was sad because he had lost his laugh. Question 2, how did monkey find hyena's laugh? Answer is monkey found hyena's laugh by tickling him and making him happy. So children, how did monkey find hyena's laugh? Monkey found hyena's laugh by tickling him and making him happy, okay. Question 3, I will never lose my laugh again. How can hyena be sure of that? Answer is hyena can be sure because he knows that he doesn't need to feel bad about his teeth. He will now be happy with himself. So children, now hyena has learnt his lesson that he will not be sad about his appearance and he will always be happy. So answer is hyena can be sure because he knows that he doesn't need to feel bad about his teeth. He will now be happy with himself. Okay. So children, our chapter is over here. Do your book work and copy work very neatly in a beautiful handwriting. Thank you.